Hi, this is Dina for Splitcoaststampers. In this video, I'll show you a literal twist on the classic kissing technique. This is a tutorial from our archives. You'll need a somewhat solid stamp, a silhouette or shadow stamp, and then two contrasting colors of dye ink, one light and one dark. I'm using Distress Oxide inks because they have a longer open time, so they're not going to dry on my stamp. You're going to ink up the solid stamp in the lighter ink and then ink the smaller stamp, touch it to the solid stamp and twist. This is just a tiny accent stamp from a penny black set, and you can experiment with the stamps that you have on hand, but I like the results of an outline stamp that has some open space in the image the best. Keep a piece of scrap paper or a baby wipe on hand so you can stamp off the ink you pick up from the solid stamp, and that way you won't contaminate your ink pad. My stamp has a low spot, so it needs a little extra squeeze right there. I had trouble every time with that spot. The oxide inks leave a little residue on the stamp, so for a second bonus card, I left my flower stamp uninked and just twisted it on the stamp to leave a texture. There is still enough ink on the stamp to lift, so for a third bonus card, I misted the ink that was left with plain water and stamped another background. And here are all the cards together. Those silhouette images are by Dina Wakely, and the sentiments are from Unity Stamps. This is a quick and easy technique from our archives back in 2008. We have hundreds of free tutorials for your inspiration. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.